Hey Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel. I'm Velitra and I'm the crafty black girl. So you guys, today we are working on another Mother's Day basket. And you guys, if you remember the candles that I did, this is the template that I used in the Cricut design space. This was already made up for candles. So I didn't finish wrapping all of the candles, so I thought it would be a cute idea to put this on the front of this box. So I just went ahead and attached it. This is actually a shelf liner from Dollar Tree that I'm using to transfer it. It's not great, but it actually does work and it will save you a lot of money instead of using transfer paper. So now I'm taking the tag off of this nail polish. That was 30 cents from Dollar General, and the petals also came from Dollar General, and I've been eyeing them for a while, probably since Valentine's, and they were so pretty, so I definitely wanted to use them for Mother's Day. Those were $3. So I'm just attaching them to the skewers as I always do, and this just stabilizes it, keeps it from bending forward and back and keeps it up. And so I'm going to just put that nail polish right on top, and so the skewer sticking up worked out because now it supports the polish and the petals. So now I'm adding this eye mask, and we're just going to put it right on the side there. Nothing complicated. This is a very simple design, very simple basket, but it is very beautiful at the same time. So I'm taking this sponge. I got that from my wholesaler down in Miami, and they were about 75 cents each, and I have a huge pack of them. So now I'm just going to cover up the basket in the back. We don't want the skewers or anything to show. I do this in all of my videos pretty much, if it's not a two-sided or a rounded basket where you have gifts all around. So I'm just going to get ahead and securing that, adding some shred to the back, which I buy from Amazon in bulk. I will leave that in the description down below. And then I'm adding this mom sign at the bottom of this box. So the box I had pre-wrapped already. You can get boxes from anywhere, and I packed it with packing paper and newspaper, and now I'm going ahead and adding this bow that I use floral satin to create. So I have completely adopted my sis Felicia Birth and Bosses with Felicia. If you don't already know, I'll link it in the cards. I have completely adopted her bow method, and the flower is just absolutely beautiful. This is what these baskets look like. This is the finished look. I did one with the mom sign and one without. That way, if somebody likes the design but it's not for their mom, they can still buy it, and they don't have to worry about feeling weird about buying something that says mom and it's not for their mom. So we're doing this in a way where people have options, you guys. So now for the pricing. The box did not cost me anything, so zero. I'm not charging them for the box. The paper that I wrapped it in, however, I'm charging $1. The shrink wrap $1. The sponge $1. The eye mask in the front was $3 full price from Dollar General, and that came as a little set with the petals. The petals were $3 as well, and those are bath soap petals. Then the nail polish costed me 30 cents or 50 cents, I believe. Not sure which one, but we're saying 50 cents. The sign was $1.50, and the bow, I'm gonna charge $3 for the bow. This is a special bow with a flower, so it's not just the regular pull bow that I normally do. I am just going to go ahead and add these up, and I get $5, $6, and then the total is $14. So you will see with my pricing on this go round, I did make a mistake, but my time was about 15 minutes, not putting the basket together, but actually wrapping that box and stuffing it as well. It was at least 15 minutes. So the products plus the time equaled $29. So I realized that I did this incorrectly because I did not multiply by products by 2. I mean, if you want to do more affordable pricing, you can do it that way, the way I did it first, and you can charge $30, but my end total will be $45. If that makes sense, let me know in the comments below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and until next time, stay crafty.